During one-step RT-PCR, reverse transcription and PCR of the RNA target occur in a single reaction tube. To enable this reaction, gene-specific primers, reverse transcriptase and DNA polymerase are premixed in an optimized buffer that supports both enzymes' activity. Common challenges in performing one-step RT-PCR include poor specificity and low target yield. Since all of the reaction components are pre-mixed, primers may bind non-specifically during reaction setup, which may result in undesired target amplification and reduced yield of the intended target. Another challenge is limited system stability during reaction setup at ambient temperature, and therefore incompatibility with automated high-throughput workflows. The Invitrogen SuperScript 4 one-step RT-PCR system combines the SuperScript 4 reverse transcriptase with the high-fidelity platinum superfied DNA polymerase. This system utilizes an innovative two-phase hot start activation mechanism to help achieve superior specificity and performance in one-step RT-PCR applications. During the reaction setup at ambient temperature, both SuperScript 4 reverse transcriptase and platinum superfied DNA polymerase are maintained inactive through their respective hot start mechanisms, preventing premature and non-specific activity. During the first hot start activation phase at around 45 degrees Celsius, the RT blocker dissociates from SuperScript 4 reverse transcriptase and the first strand cDNA synthesis is initiated. At this temperature, platinum superfied DNA polymerase is maintained inactive through its strong hot start mechanism. During the second hot start activation phase, the reaction mixtures are heated to 98 degrees Celsius to activate the platinum superfied DNA polymerase and simultaneously inactivate the SuperScript 4 reverse transcriptase, allowing highly efficient and specific DNA amplification. This stringent two-phase hot start activation mechanism delivers superior specificity and yield. It also helps stabilize pre-assembled reactions at room temperature for at least 4 hours, which facilitates automated, high-throughput one-step RT-PCR setup. For superior one-step RT-PCR performance, choose the SuperScript 4 one-step RT-PCR system.